Yeah, it's a little warm. It ain't bad though. All right, these waves are big. Let's say you want to race. She's funny. Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy King Gabriel back at you guys with another banger, another vibes, man. We in Miami, yeah. You see how we coming? So y'all get y'all a little tour of the crib. Got that nice sun, the nice mirror. Got us a little bathroom right here, yeah. Got our bedroom right here. Yes sir, our second bedroom. But today what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be going jet skiing, doing some other stuff. We're going down to the Keys, Florida, and should be lit. I'm ready. Show y'all what I'm wearing. We made us a new shirt. Real hit is on. Yeah. Fire. Cincinnati Bike Life, you alright? Yeah. But that's the plan. We're about to go down to the Keys, Florida. We're gonna take the vet down. I'm gonna take y'all with us, and we're gonna make a little vlog out of it. So stay tuned. It should be lit. Just stay tuned. It's about to be a vibe. I ain't even show y'all outside. Let me show y'all the views. See how we coming, man. It's lit. Should see it at night. It's a good view, but you see the vibes, man. We're gonna take y'all with us, and it should be a good little day. Be ready, man. Yo, what up, y'all? So we're all ready. See, we all fitted up. You looking fresh, boy. Yeah. For the vibes, man. But we about to head down to the car, and then we're about to start making our way towards the Keys. Then I'm gonna try to set y'all up on the car so you guys can get some time-lapse views of the ocean and everything. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, we about to show y'all how we stuntin', yeah. They got a little Ford Lightning. These things used to be bad back in the day, boy. Bad machine. Look, we got the little Lotus next to us. Woo-wee, that's a bad bitch right there. This bitch is bad too, but this is bad. Let me give y'all a little cold start video. I'm gonna bring y'all back once we get down to the Keys. I'm gonna try to set y'all up right here though until we get there. So stay tuned. I'm gonna give you a little rev video real quick. A little rev. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna set y'all up real quick.
I'm still preaching. I don't get a chance to see all my bad. Tryna lay my head where they don't kill it. I'm from where you got some money. Bring back the act again. Make Kanye black again. With friends. Headshot from this Glock, you won't remember shit.
Yep.
Sweet. Go ahead and take a seat, guys. Water's gonna get a little hot.
Yeah, it's a little warm. It ain't bad though.
Alright, so this is where you're gonna put your phones.
All right.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
You can throw that key in there too, bro. These are definitely the nicest ones we've been on.
Yeah.
These are brand new.
Yeah.
23.
Sweet.
Fuck Kawasaki.
Yeah, I like the Kawasaki dirt bikes. I don't know about the the jet
They're just
skis.
to me, they're a little bit too like whippy. I don't know how to really explain it. I'm really good at jet skiing, but those Kawasaki's, man, they're just too like aggressive for me. I don't know how to really.
You like the Yamaha ones?
Yamahas are nice too, but these are superior.
I got you.
All right, guys. So y'all know what a no wake zone is.
Yeah, you gotta go slow.
Exactly. This whole area right here is a no wake zone. Okay.
Alright.
How you guys are gonna get out of here is you're gonna follow these white buoys all the way until you get to those mangroves. And when you guys get to the mangroves, you're gonna follow the mangroves out. Okay. So it's like an L. You're just gonna be going to the left. Then you're gonna take a right, follow the mangroves out. As soon as you pass that white ball, that's when you guys can start throttling. Okay.
All right.
Make sense?
Yep.
Awesome. Now, for some reason, 3 out of 10 people mess this part up. So if you do not understand this part, please let me know.
Okay.
Yeah, I got you.
Right. So whenever we're going through that, we're not pulling on the gas. We're just going.
Slow. Yeah.
You're just
Cruise.
literally.
Just like
So
slow.
I'm gonna get to the controls here in a second, but literally all you're gonna be doing is just boom.
Oh,
It's
okay.
gonna take you all the way there.
Okay. Cool. Yeah.
Pass that
Like
ball.
when you let your foot off the gas in a car, right? It's gonna move forward still, but super slow.
So
Mhm.
are those green things going to be on our left side? Or are we going to go past them and then be on
You're
our
gonna
right
keep the green things to your right side. You're gonna keep these white buoys to your right side too. So this is what I mean by your right side, okay? Right. here.
Mhm.
side? Oh, so we're going.
Yeah, we're going
forward.
in.
You guys
L
cannot
shape.
go straight through, okay?
Yeah.
Yep.
Reason why, see that jet ski right there?
Yeah.
That shit's fucked up. Reason why is because somebody went straight through, fucked up the entire propeller and everything like that.
Aw.
So we're waiting for somebody to tow it out
We
of
don't
here
want to fuck anything
and
up.
replace the propeller and stuff.
So when we come back, we're going to go the same way?
Uh,
Yeah.
possible to see the mile marker right now, but there's a mile marker way down there, okay?
Yeah.
You guys cannot go to the right side of that white ball and that mile marker, okay?
So
You guys
stay
gotta
over
stay
there.
To the left.
Okay.
Alright. That mile marker though is as far as you guys can go out. You can't see it now, but when you guys get out there a little bit more, I'd say like 2 miles out, you'll be able to see it.
All right.
Make sense?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, as soon as you guys pass that white, oh, and that's also about 6 miles out.
Okay.
As soon as you guys pass that white ball and look to the left, you guys are going to see 2 islands, okay? Do not go around those islands. Do not go through those islands. And stay 1,000 feet away from those islands. Those islands are as far as you guys can go left, all right? So you guys have 6 miles that way, 2 miles that way, okay?
Mhm.
All right. Means that you guys are too close to shore. I need you guys to stay 500 feet away from shore, and I need y'all to stay 500 feet away from all watercraft. That means kayaks, jet skis, canoes, paddle boards, anything you guys see out there. I don't care if you see a freaking dirt bike flying across the ocean, like that.
Yeah.
Make sure you guys stay at least 500 feet away, okay?
All right.
Including each other. Now, if you guys want to come to each other, say hi. That's perfectly okay. Just make sure you guys come to each other at an idle speed, because if you guys throttle near each other, that's how 90% of all boating accidents happen, is from people throttling next to each other, okay?
Mhm.
Awesome. All right, you guys ready?
Yep.
Any questions about the controls?
Nah.
All right, guys. So I need y'all back here at 523, okay?
All right. Let me set on warm. You set on warm too.
All right, go ahead and hold down the red button.
We in neutral, y'all. See the vibes though, we outside. You know the vibes, man. Yeah. We about to turn up for y'all in a second. Check this camera real quick. Set that in warm whenever you can. Cause my shit might die, it's on 12. Hey, this is live. We about to cut up, y'all. I'm about to get right. Oh, this bitch got some speed to it. we gotta tighten this motherfucker. We gotta tighten this bitch. I'm about to turn up on this bitch. This bitch got some speed to it, y'all. I don't see where he was talking about. Woo-hoo-hoo! That damn GoPro is bouncing. That makes this damn GoPro ain't about to fly off. Motherfucker keeps smelling like it's about to. Damn, my nuts. What? This shit hurts. For real? Yeah, oh, it's fast. It's fun. It's hard. These waves are big. It's fun now. When I realized you gotta win or what? I know. Hey, so how far can we go over here? Oh, 6 miles? Ah. I know. I know. You wanna race? I say you wanna race? Alright. y'all can see how this GoPro's going. This thing gets up, boy. This shit's rough on your hands. I know. You record? Fun? Huh? But you what? Oh yeah. You having fun? Having fun? I know. Look at her go. Look at her go. Damn. I like staring at this bitch. Dude, she is funny. Look at her. Oh, I got drenched. Help us in salt water in the eyes. This shit is lit. Look at her. Floating. These bitches alive, y'all. I splashed hella water on me. I can't see. Yeah, my eyes are burning. Huh? I know. Cause I'm drenched. She's funny. I see you're getting comfortable. Huh? Ah, you did. I seen you take off. It looked like you were getting comfortable. But I like these little grip things. Damn! Some of these waves be ridiculous, boy. That GoPro be smacking down on my head and shit. You learning how to drive it? You learning how to drive it? No, you don't. I know. Oh! She is funny. Yeah, look, I almost went airborne. I don't know if y'all can see that. She is funny. said what? I know, because the waves. Like 20 minutes. 22 minutes.
Well, we said we needed to be back when I was
21. That knee, doing it on the knee is easy, but I almost fell. It's fun. I had to take my flip-flop off. Of what? Huh? What do you want me to do? On my knee? This thing fell on the thing. How did it stay on here? I thought that bitch was gone. Hey, you know what's so funny? My flip-flop, I stuck it in here, and it fell out. I was like, oh, I lost my flip-flop. I looked down, it's sitting right here. Yeah, I got lucky. How you feeling? You what? It's because you got them girly hands. These things are fun. They're hard to control though, they're hard. I was gonna tell you that, we're gonna get one for the lake next year. The lake will be way easier. Yeah. It burns? Dip it in the water. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. It's alright, we're almost done. You ready for your coffee? I seen you trying to race me. No, you didn't. You're funny. Are you good? Huh? Are you ready? Alright, come on. Yeah, I'm ready. I got everything I wanted to do in. Alright. Well, I'm gonna go down and then come back. Let's go down and come back. best parts out of this video. And add it to a different video. We'll see. But hope y'all are enjoying the footage of the Keys, Florida. On the rack, he'll probably come out. But you probably drive it up it. We'll just see. When you get up there, just do circles. He'll help us out. You want me to go first? Alright. Shout out to this place.
Hands off. Alright.
That was easy.
Right here.
Alright. That was fun. Just try to aim it on there. Huh?
That was so
That's fun. That was fun. Them waves are crazy, son.
That was the most fun I had on the jet ski.
Alright. And then if you can just put your life jackets right there, the switch right there. We'll release that deposit for you right now.
Sweet.
Time though, it's good to hear, guys. Go down in the water, there's a shower right there. You guys can use.
Alright. No vibes.
Oh my goodness. That was fun.
You might not want to use this with your hands.
No. I just want to wash my hands. I'm going to wash my hands in there. Or wherever we go.
The glasses.
Oh shoot.
I thought I almost lost my shit. I was like, oh my gosh.
Could you imagine? Even sorry. We're going to have to buy.
Nuh-uh. I got my other
Have a
shoes.
good one, guys.
Thank you. I appreciate
Hope
it.
you too.
Good night.
I got dry off. Now we can go in there. You know why it's well worth it?
Why?
Because now we're going to get jet skis.
Yeah.
You see the vibes there, man?
Well, you don't have to fish.
Yeah. That's gonna exclude this part. I'll see y'all on the next part, or we might be ending the video right here. So whatever we choose to do, you'll see it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Woo, you guys see the vibes. Got Shorty in the driver's seat. Yeah. It's nice out here, y'all. Look at the view. Keys, Florida. It's lit out here, y'all. How you liking it?
It's fun.
Fun, fun,
love
fun. Oh shit, this nigga got some fires. So what do you give the car?
I give it a 10.
You love it?
Yeah. It was a lot of fun to drive.
Yeah, I love it too.
It's fast.
Yeah, we're gonna, you know the vibes. I'm gonna show y'all a little sign. I'm gonna throw you on top of the car, and then we'll go from there.
Cook that shit up, Quay. Pull up in my hood, they treat me like on copper. Grew up looking up the